Good morning, Bitcoiners. How are you? Welcome to Bitcoin for Me Immortal, the channel where we're going to talk about Bitcoin crypto assets, technology, and the future. Bitcoin for Me Immortal is also a book available at Amazon. And if you want a copy, an ebook copy, just do all the things you have to do down there. Subscribe, notification bell, retweet, tell all your friends, and everything else. And this is not financial advice, it's education and entertainment. Today we have many good news about Bitcoin, but first we're going to start about telling you about what happened yesterday. Yesterday, finally, the Fed, Jerome Powell, made the announcement, and the announcement was that nothing's going to happen. They're not going to increase the interest rates, and they're going to keep tapering. So it was in the end good news. Like I thought, like I said yesterday, that's what I thought they were going to say. And but the market reacted slightly down. Why? Because it was a case of, like I said yesterday as well, it was a case of buying the news, buying the rumor, and sell the news. That's what usually happens. They knew the announcement was going to be like that, and they bought before. That's why 2 days ago Bitcoin started rising here, and the moment he made the announcement, it dropped, because people, especially the speculators, the traders, they sold a little bit. But this is nothing to worry about. This is just it will recover tomorrow probably. Yeah, nothing to worry about. And the market is flat, more or less. It's only Luna losing 7% today, Polkadot 6, Avalanche 6. But Atom is going down 11. That's very unusual, because Atom is it's been doing very well lately. Interesting. And Phantom is losing 10% today. Okay, so this is what we got. So the announcement was nothing in the end. So that's in the long run, that's good news, and Bitcoin will carry on as usual. Fear is a little bit higher than yesterday. It's 20, but still extreme fear, still a good time to buy. But here the good news that we have yesterday. Cathie Wood from Ark Invest, I don't know if you know her, but she's an expert investor in technology. She has a fund called Ark Invest, and they have made billions investing in Google, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, and all that. She knows what the trends, what the technological trends are, and she knows how to spot them early. And now she's going into the crypto market. She's been going into the crypto market for a couple of years or so, and mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum. And she reckons that Bitcoin could be worth $1 million by 2030. There you go. Not only that, Ethereum could be worth, market cap could be worth 20 trillion, which is about $80,000 per Ethereum. There you go. That's a lot of money as well. I mean, these people know what they're talking about. They could be right, they could be wrong, but when they say that, they make a lot of calculations, and they understand what's going on, exponential adoption, and the network effects. You got NFT markets, the metaverse, the smart contract, the DeFi. They know this is growing and growing exponentially. So there you go. Keep an eye on that. And also, not only that, Ark Invest, they're also trying to get an ETF, a spot ETF approved, and the SEC didn't say no, which is very interesting. They didn't say no this time. They said not yet, and they have delayed the decision until April. So maybe in April we will have a spot ETF. That would be great news for Bitcoin. Okay, more things. In the geopolitical arena, we have good news about Turkey and Russia. Bukele was talking to Erdogan recently, and apparently they didn't talk about Bitcoin. Funny that. But 3 days later, Erdogan is instructing the ruling party to explore cryptocurrencies. There you go. Something's going on there. But not only that, the same president is telling the party to organize a metaverse forum. I think Bukele was talking about Bitcoin there in secret. Okay, and Putin, the Russian central bank was trying to ban Bitcoin a few days ago, but Putin said, no way, we're not going to ban Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a way to tackle US sanctions and to use a parallel system. If they are not allowed to use dollars, they could use Bitcoin to buy energy, to buy or sell energy, to buy any import or export in the international market. So this is exactly what Bitcoin does better. Bitcoin is an alternative to the current fiat system. Putin has realized that. Erdogan has realized that, and most people are realizing that. The United States is the one that is going to lose more in this, because they already have the dollar. They want to keep the dollar, the petrodollar. But Bitcoin is better for international transaction than the petrodollar, and is also neutral. So there you go. A lot of things happening there, and then we have more things. American Express is exploring new ways to redeem points for crypto. So another giant that is coming into the market. And look at this. This is huge. This is huge, guys. Visa has an annual settlement volume of 13 trillion. That's Visa, the giant car company, right? Bitcoin has 13.1. Bitcoin is doing more transactions, more volume than Visa. This is huge. I mean, and this is only the beginning. And this is Bitcoin now that has gone down 50% since the all-time high. So this is amazing. Bitcoin is gonna be the biggest thing ever in financial history, for sure. And also, for the people that still think that Bitcoin is not clean for the environment, look at this. Bitcoin has helped fund $1.4 million solar installation in Zimbabwe. This is probably going to be used for mining or something like that, but the thing is that Bitcoin is promoting solar energy and clean energy. So Bitcoin is good for the environment, and despite what the other people say. Also in Gibraltar, they are trying to launch the first crypto stock exchange. So I think they probably will make it, because there is no regulation in Gibraltar. Gibraltar is like the Wild West, so it will probably succeed. What else? 40% of Spanish people don't know what inflation is. That's unfortunate. Hopefully I'm here to educate Spanish people and to tell them that inflation is a silent thief. It's a hidden tax, and if you're not careful, you will get broke. You will go broke, because 1,000 euros will become 500 euros, and then will become 100 euros, and then become zero. So be very careful, Spanish people, or anybody who doesn't understand inflation. You must understand inflation. And this is the opposite of inflation. This is what the price of an iPhone in Bitcoin. An iPhone 4 was 2,857 Bitcoin. The iPhone 5 was 16 Bitcoin. The iPhone 6 was 2 Bitcoins. The iPhone 7 was 1.28 Bitcoin. The iPhone 8 was 0.24 Bitcoin. And the iPhone 13 was 0.02. This is what we want. When we want deflation, we want prices to go cheaper. We want to be able to buy more and not less. We don't want the price of housing or the price of bread to go up. We want it to go down. And if you measure in Bitcoin, it's going down. It's going down a lot, exponentially, actually. And this is the IMF knocking at the door of Bukele, and Bukele is ignoring the IMF, saying, I'm happy with Bitcoin, I don't need you to give me dollars. And Turkey is dancing here. That's the meme of the day. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to retweet this video, tell your friends, tell everybody, comment down below, ask me any question, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.